Maytag microwave model MMV1174FZ error codes. Warm up food in this 1.7 cubic feet Maytag microwave. Its multiple-speed exhaust fan eliminates smoke and smells from your range, and enabling the control lockout option prevents you from accidentally pressing a button when it's not in use. This Maytag microwave is fingerprint resistant to maintain its stainless steel finish. Error codes. Code C10, C11, C12. Problem: error with gas easy pH sensor. Code C20, C21, C22. Problem: error with temp sensor. Code C70, C71, C72. Problem: error with steam sensor. Code CA0, CA1, CA2. Problem: functional error. Code CD0, CD1, CD2. Problem: door or key error. Code CF0, CF1, CF2. Problem: communication error. Code E01. Problem: open error. Code E02. Problem: cooking time setting over error microwave. Code E03. Problem: cooking time setting over error grill. Code E04. Problem: cooking time setting over error convection. Code E05. Problem: cooking time setting over error combination. Code E06. Problem: swing heater error. Code E11. Problem: open gas sensor error. Code E12. Problem: short gas sensor error. Code E13. Problem: T1 max time gas sensor error. Code E14. Problem: dry up no load gas sensor error. Code E21. Problem: open temp sensor error. Code E22. Problem: short temp sensor error. Code E23. Problem: T1 max time error. Code E24. Problem: over temperature error. Code E25. Problem: microcook abnormal temperature error. Code E26. Problem: temperature not over AD error. Code E31. Problem: open gas sensor error. Code E32. Problem: short gas sensor error. Code E33. Problem: underweight error. Code E34. Problem: overweight error. Code E35. Problem: invalid weight error. Code E36. Problem: door open error. Code E41. Problem: open easy pH sensor error. Code E42. Problem: short easy pH sensor error. Code E43. Problem: T1 max time easy pH sensor error. Code E44. Problem: dry up easy pH sensor error. Code E45. Problem: cooling error. Code E46. Problem: primary open error. Code E47. Problem: door open error. Code E51. Problem: sense failure. Code E52. Problem: EEPROM short error. Code E53. Problem: read-write error. Code E54. Problem: zero error. Code E61. Problem: open humidity sensor error. Code E62. Problem: short humidity sensor error. Code E63. Problem: T1 max time humidity sensor error. Code E71. Problem: steam sensor open error. Code E72. Problem: steam sensor short error. Code E81. Problem: communication open error. Code E82. Problem: communication short error. Code E83. Problem: communication error. Code EX1. Problem: additional open error. Code EX2. Problem: Additional short error. Code. SE. Problem. Key short error. Code. TE. Problem. Touch communication error.